Before you create anything in Revit, you need to understand this because using the wrong tool is the fastest way to get frustrated and quit. In this video, I'll show you only the essential tools you need. Nothing overwhelming, just what actually matters. Hello, welcome to Noble Architects Consult. Is this your first time here? Make it official. Tap the subscribe button. Let's grow together and explore more ideas. Don't forget to turn on the notifications so you don't miss out. Tool number 1, Wall Tool. Click on Architecture, Wall. Let's start with the most important tool in Revit. You can use any of these to create the wall. You can use the line. You can use the rectangle, the inscribed polygon, depending on the shape you want to create. This is how you create your building structure. In the next video, we will use this tool to build a full floor plan. Number 2, Door Tool. Here's the door. You can use the default door or load from the library. Locate your library folder and select any door of your choice. Let's place the door. Do you notice something? Revit only allows doors on walls. You cannot place it in anything aside the wall. That's because Revit understands real buildings. Number 3, Window Tool. Click on Window. We have the default window here. You can as well load the family. Select window from your library. Open it. Place it on the wall. Same logic, everything is connected. Number 4, Modify Tools. You can only see these tools if you select an object. Let's select the wall. You'll see the tools. These are the tools you use every few seconds. Let's start with the Move tool. You can click here or type MV on your keyboard. Select the wall. Type in a distance. Let's use 750. Press enter. We have the Copy tool. Select it, place on the object you want to copy, and make a copy. You can type in a distance. As simple as that. We have the Rotate tool. You can use it and rotate any object of your choice, like this. We have the Trim and Extend corner. If you want to join this wall to this other one, you can use the Trim tool and trim it. We have the next, Trim Single Element. If you want to trim this wall to join here without cutting this other wall, select this wall, pick this line. As simple as that. We have the Align. If you want to move this window to this point or any point of your choice, click on the end point, then click on the object. We have the Offset tool. You can type in a dimension here and offset the dimension tool. Select it. You can use the wall center lines or you pick wall faces. As simple as that. We have the Split tool. Select it. If you want to split this wall, just as simple as that. You can delete the unwanted part. We have the Mirror tool. If you want to mirror this door to this other side, you can use the Mirror tool. Select the mirror, draw the axis and mirror it. And here is the Delete tool. If you want to delete any object, you can click on Delete to delete it, or you press Delete on your keyboard. With these few tools, you can model a project in Revit. This is what separates a rough sketch from a professional drawing. Now you know the tools, but tools alone don't mean anything until you use them together. In the next video, we will take everything you've learned and create a complete floor plan from scratch, step by step. If you enjoyed this video, click the like button, subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification so you'll be notified each time we post an interesting video like this.